In the quiet of his room, Leo carefully unscrewed a glass jar. A puff of mist swirled out, instantly forming into a tiny, sneezing hedgehog. With practiced ease, Leo caught the creature in his net. Hundreds of jars lined his walls, each glowing with the vibrant colors of trapped sneezes. Suddenly, a thunderous crack rocked the house. A giant, shadowy mass erupted from a sneeze jar, shattering the glass into 1,000 pieces. Thick, gray pepper dust filled the air, making Leo's eyes sting as he coughed in the haze. The monster burst through the window, looming over the town like a dark storm. Every time it shook, clouds of pepper dust fell, causing the entire population to erupt in uncontrollable, rhythmic sneezing. Leo grabbed his largest empty container and raced toward the square. He climbed the clock tower, heart pounding, waiting for the beast to take its next breath. As the monster inhaled, Leo lunged. He swung the jar wide and slammed the lid shut. The beast collapsed inside. The town went silent. Leo sat on the roof, feeling the heavy jar humming in his hands.